After Bellamy.
Lift my heart up when the rest of